we now discuss the solution of a problem related to the area between the curves, and this uses the basic knowledge that the student has at the +2 level. This question has appeared in the joint entrance examination main held on 29th June 2022 in the second shift. The given question is for real numbers a, b, where a greater than b greater than 0, let the area consisting of all ordered pairs x comma y, which satisfies x square plus y square less than or equal to a square, and x square by a square plus y square by b square is greater than or equal to 1, is equal to 30 pi, and the area consisting of all ordered pairs x comma y such that x square plus y square greater than or equal to b square and x square by a square plus y square by b square is less than or equal to 1 is equal to 18 pi. Then the value of a minus b whole square is equal to, we are given a, b are real numbers and a greater than b greater than 0. This is very important. Now it is given the area inside the area, the area which is the interior of this circle and exterior of this ellipse is given to be 30 pi. And in the second case, the area of the exterior of this circle greater than or equal to b square and the interior of this ellipse is given to be 18 pi, and required to find the value of a minus b whole square. Let's now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. We are given AB belongs to the set of real numbers and a greater than b greater than 0. This is a very important condition for visualization of these curves. Right. We consider the first case. X square plus y square less than or equal to a square is the interior of the circle. X square plus y square is equal to a square. This is the interior of the circle, and this is the circle is also included. The points on the circle are also included. Agreed. Now x square by a square plus y square by b square greater than or equal to 1, which represents exterior of the ellipse. Ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Here you note down that a greater than b greater than 0. Therefore, a is the major semi-major axis and b is the semi-minor axis. And a greater than b. A greater than b, and here is the circle with the radius a. With the radius a. So, how the exterior will be? The exterior is looking like that. So that means the A is along this one, B is this, B is smaller, A is this. That means the ellipse lies inside this circle. Since A greater than B, the ellipse lies inside the circle. Why? Because the circle has the radius A greater than B, and the ellipse has the semi-major axis A and the semi-minor axis B. So that means the ellipse will lie strictly inside the circle. Ellipse lie strictly inside the circle means the circle will have more area than the ellipse. So right. So the area consisting of all ordered pairs where x square plus y square less than or equal to a square, that is the interior, and x square by a square plus y square by b square greater than or equal to 1, that is the exterior, is given to be 30 pi. So this area is what? This area is the common area between the circle and the ellipse. That is given to be 30 pi. And what is this value? This value is pi a square minus pi ab. So that is the common area. This is the shaded portion. So pi a square minus, pi a square is the area of the circle minus the area of the ellipse. That is pi a square minus pi ab. That is the common area, is equal to 30 pi. Cancelling pi throughout, you get a square minus ab is equal to 30. Let's call this as the equation 1. We move on to the second case. Agreed. We have a, b belongs to r and a greater than b greater than 0, and we have already seen in the first slide a square minus ab is equal to 30, which is the equation 1. Now we go to the case 2. X square plus y square is greater than or equal to b square. It is the exterior of the circle. X square plus y square is equal to b square. That is the exterior. Right. And what is b? And b is the semi-minor axis of this ellipse, and a is the semi-major axis. So if you consider, and what is this one? This is the interior of the ellipse. The interior of the ellipse. And so you will observe that b less than a, therefore the circle lies properly inside the ellipse. The circle lies. Who will have more area? The ellipse will have more area, the circle will have less area because b less than a. Right. The area of all ordered pairs x comma y such that x square plus y square is greater than or equal to b square, that is the exterior of the circle, and x square by a square plus y square by b square is less than or equal to 1, that is the interior of the ellipse, and it is given to be 18 pi. And what is this area? The common area between the ellipse and the circle. Ellipse. So what is the common area? The common area is the shaded portion, that is exterior to this circle, interior to this ellipse. So that's the common. So what is the common area? The common area is the area of the ellipse is more, that is pi ab, minus the area of the circle, that is pi b square. Pi ab minus pi b square is equal to 18 pi. Cancelling pi throughout, you will get ab minus b square is equal to 18. That is the second relation. What is that we want? Required to find the value of a minus b whole square. So from 1 and 2, how do we get a minus b whole square? So subtracting 2 from 1, we get a square minus ab. That is 1 minus the second one minus in brackets ab minus b square is equal to 30 minus 18, that is 12. Here it is a square minus ab plus b square, and that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is precisely a minus b whole square, that is equal to 12. So required to find the value of a minus b whole square, and that is we are getting the answer 12. The answer to this question is 12. That is the detailed discussion of the solution of the given problem, which uses just the basic knowledge of a student that he has at the 12th level, and it deals with the area between the curves. I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.